In today's video, I'll show you how you can set up your Webull account. So let's get started. So here we are in Webull, and from here, the first thing that you would need to do is to click here into sign up once you're here in webull.com. So once you have clicked on sign up, you will now be able to set up your account by providing your phone number in here. So make sure to provide that and then get the verification code and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. And then after that, you can now click here on next, and then you'll be undergoing a registration process. Or if you would want to skip the hassle, just go sign in with your Facebook or Google account for an easier process. And after you have provided your email and then your phone number, and then you have set the verification code and so on, then the next thing is that you would need to input your password. And after that, you will now be prompted in here into Webull on your account. So now you can start setting it up and use Webull. And yeah, that is basically it for how you would be able to set up your Webull account. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.